Rice is life.
Bukan demi dari balikin terus.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. So it is Sunday, the 1st of December. I can't believe, guys, it's actually the last month of the year. 2019 is nearly over. But we are all ready now. I've got Mimi there. Hello. So we're all ready now, guys. It is very early in the morning, but my bestie is in town, guys. So if you watch my previous video, we went to Sydney and we had like a apartment tour at his place, and now they're down in Melbourne, guys, because they just bought a place. So we are going to go see them, and then we're gonna go have lunch together, and then because they have to actually fly back to Sydney this afternoon, guys, so we have to do like a quick lunch. But yeah, we're all ready, all set. And yeah, we'll take you with us, guys. And it is pretty gloomy outside, as you can see, but nothing can stop me from wearing shorts, guys, because that's how I roll. I just have to put maybe, you know, a thick jacket on top, so, you know, I'm warm. But other than that, we'll see you all soon. This. Hello.
Hey guys.
Good, thank you.
First visitor.
Yes. Look. Very nice. OMG.
She's good height.
Is that nice?
She sees that watermelon.
Oh my god.
You right? How do you
I know. Very nice. This is the corner, Jovey.
Yeah.
This must cost more compared to the others.
No, more to facing the city.
Oh, really?
Here is okay.
Nice.
Enough.
That's next.
Door. Another door.
What is it? Balling the road? The top
Pinaka akong balang run. Nagkagbalay.
So this is the bathroom, the laundry, I think. We don't have like thing yet. We have connected.
Kahit lakot na nakamparis tingin nga.
I know, it's okay. Hindi siya nipis, di. Baga siya. It's a thick glass, it's fine. Cute, no?
Oh god. This is so cute.
Cute.
The rose gold.
Yeah.
That is trending.
How to dress me?
Thank you. Nak, kali nak. Di lagi na mula haus.
Funny, so that's good.
Ah, yeah.
And you can see the
Lagi.
sea.
Oh, dili ma'am. Ay, apil mo ma'am. Back. Oh, dili permit dili. Lanak oh. What's that? Chada kayo pang tama na yun.
So you can see the city in the north, ate. City view. At i-order mo mo. Kita pa. Hindi kita. Scary, right? Super scary.
Yes, ma'am. You wanna see? There you go. Bye bye, Tom.
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah, fine.
Did she take it off?
Your place is so beautiful.
Cute, no?
Yes, so cute. So this is the master's bedroom. Huh?
Cute kayong ba?
Have a look. Yeah, be nice. Kita rin mag-unti tidy. Oh, there's that. So this is the walking on. Bongga. Hala, kay pobre ko ni si. Guys, sana kay lang bayar sa pero may kurente. Yeah, good. We like
flower.
mirrors everywhere.
Like I like the feelings.
So love this.
I like the feelings.
Heart evangelist na.
Yeah, there's more here.
Nakawin sa amin.
Yes, summit everywhere. I know. That makes, cause mirror makes it look bigger. Yeah, that's why.
That's a bit tiny, but no, we'll do.
Nah, this one.
I like tiny too. Kapag
But when you wake up, ay,
kapag vacuum, kaya kamay mo vacuum mo siya bidali. Is that conservatory?
So what are you gonna do there?
Put plants there.
Oh yeah, true. This is so cute. Masa di siya nasaming tea? Like, good lang. Uy, lupot. Wow, this is so cool.
Can you see photo of us? I just want like
Yeah.
we use gallery phone. I want something for my Instagram.
Ngito nak dahil naman ka makita
I want
ka.
something like this, and I want to sit here and grab notes just stand.
So guys, we're just going to find something to eat. We're just walking along Chapel Street, and yeah, because we're very hungry now, guys. So we just want to find something close and also cheap, of course. But yes, it's freaking cold, guys, so I have this thick jacket on. Study there. And guys, we're with them. Selfie lang, guys. Look, sa kabarangay. Oh, honey. P. P. Run. This is Turak Road. Nice. That YouTube, hi sa YouTube. Bongga wala sila eh.
Vlogger siya sa una, 1965 original. Vlogger. Inborn siya guys.
Isa ka baryo.
Inborn siya sa
They're all Ron's family, guys. Mura may si Velma Santos ay.
Chris Aquino.
Where are we going, guys? Red.
Look back.
Ha? Iguwi. Kita raw. Gipabok naman na ako siya. Pabok kahapon pa siya.
First customer day.
Kanang, sige, tawagan ng una, ti.
Boy naman no.
Boy naman, no.
Ano? You need the booking, is it?
Oh, you the booking. Piot. Alam mo pag tinapa, dali ka rin. Igo? Suki. Oh, ikaw man di ay. Ala, oh. Made for us.
Thank you.
Rest is life.
Bukan lang demi, ano lang ba? Ano lang balikin, ano lang demi.
So we just finished our lunch, guys. Where's the good lighting here? Oh, it's too bright. And it was good. What do you think of the food?
It's yum.
Yeah, it was yummy.
I
We went to
rated
like
100.
100, 10 out of 10.
You know what though, it's the ones that
We used to feel too.
You can work together.
actually
Kasi after Christmas, huwag ka lang vaccine. Kaya wala ko trabaho. Together naman kaya na vaccine. Oh, vaccine din. Together din kay season. So, ang nag-26, yung pag-sinusunod. So, ang sitamay yung balay. Pagluto kong tiil sa baboy. Ayan, ba? Christmas. Kinapos, may kinapos.
5 minutes later.
Tiil sa baboy.
I love that. Yeah. Yeah, okay, bye.
Hi guys, so welcome back again, guys. It is currently 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Obviously we're home now, we're in bed because guys it's raining outside and it's freaking freezing when it's supposed to be summer now. Anyways, you know, that's just Melbourne, but we had a great time catching up with my bestie again, guys. They had a beautiful place in South Yarra. View was, yeah, incredible. And yeah, I can't wait for them to actually come back down here in Melbourne, guys, because they bought the house, well, the apartment, but they are still in Sydney. They're not moving down here until next month. But yeah, I'm so excited for him to be back because, you know, I'll have my bestie back again. And yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. For now, we're just gonna stay home, stay indoors since it's raining outside. And as you can see, naghabol na siya, guys. Makita nyo, guys, nag-adjust pa siya, guys, pa. But yeah, what else? So back to work again tomorrow, guys. It's Monday, but that's cool. Thank you very much for watching today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed, and please hit that subscribe button, guys. Be a part of this family. We're nearly 1,000, guys. So we are about, I don't know, maybe 900 now, guys. So, you know, I would be really happy if we reach 1,000, guys. And by then maybe we could do my first giveaway. We'll never know. So, you know, I hope that you subscribe to our channel, guys, and I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.